Good morning. Okay, we're going to get started again with Saxon. We've already learned A consonant E, O consonant E, and U consonant E. Today we're going to learn I consonant E and E consonant E. So, on our letter sounds, on number 1, we're going to write the sound B, B. Number 2, M. Number 3, R. Number 4, E. Number 5, D. Number 6, K. So we have K, comma C, final CK, comma K, comma KE. Number 7 is A. Number 8 is O. Number 9 is I. And number 10 is Z. Okay. On 11, we're going to spell the word seam. 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 And number 12, we're going to spell the word what. What. Okay. And for the next thing we're going to learn, which is I consonant E, we're going to work in our blue word study journal. So here it is. So the word is tide, line, mile. The sound that we hear in the middle of all of those words is I. And here are these words. Okay, we hear I. And right off the bat, I see I consonant E. If we see I consonant E, we're going to cross out sneaky E, and sneaky E makes the I say its name, so we put a macron. I'd, tide. Next one, I see I consonant E, cross out sneaky E and put a macron on the I. Line, line. And the next one, I see I consonant E, cross out the sneaky E, put a macron on the I. Aisle, mile. Okay, so that's I consonant E. Here's the picture card for I consonant E, or the letter card, I'm sorry. And the picture card, this piece of money is a silver coin. It is worth 10 cents. What do you think it is? Dime I. Dime I. Okay. Then when you see this is E consonant E. E consonant E. And the picture card for E consonant E is, this is made from sand and gravel mixed with cement. It is used to make sidewalks, driveways, and slabs for buildings. It is concrete. That is concrete. So we'll say concrete E, concrete E. Okay. And here is our new sight word card, and it is sure. Sure. Remember, sight words do not follow spelling rules. That's why we call them sight words. You can't sound them out. You just have to memorize the word. Okay. So let's look at the word dime. Dime. Okay. Right off the bat, I see I consonant E. Cross out sneaky E, put a macron on the I. I'm dime. And then we're going to write concrete. Okay. Right off the bat, I see E consonant E. Cross out sneaky E, put a macron on the first E. Okay. Then we have a new vowel pattern that we haven't learned yet. So I'm just going to code it for you. Okay. So we have 2 vowels here. So I'm going to put V and V. Okay. Then all 3 letters, because normally we're used to 2 letters in between the V's, the 2 consonants, but this one has 1, 2, 3 letters in between the V's, and they are all consonants. So we have to put 3 C's. Okay. And then when we say concrete, we hear the syllable concrete. So we're going to draw our line between the syllable. Concrete. Okay, that's why I drew my line there, because the first part of the word we say is con. Draw our line, crete. Okay, That's a new vowel pattern, but we haven't learned it yet. So on the next one, yes, thank you. It's okay. And so now we look at our two vowels. This one's already coded because it was E consonant E. This O is going to get a breathe because it's followed by a consonant. This C is going to get a K back, and this C gets a K back. Okay, now we can code or sound out the word. K, on, con, cr, eat, crete, concrete. Okay, and then now we're going to come back to our worksheet here. And down at the bottom on 13, we are going to put I consonant E, comma, and E consonant E, because we learned both. Okay, so then on 14, we are going to spell the word fine. Ein, fine. 15 is smile. Smile, smile. And 16 is these. 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 Okay? And then we're going to code these words. First word, E consonant E. Cross out sneaky E, macron on the first E. Ear, here. Next one, I see I consonant E. Cross out sneaky E, macron on the I. Like. Next one, E consonant E. Cross out sneaky E, put a macron on the first one. And we have digraph TH. Theme. Next one, I see I consonant E. Cross out the E, put a macron on the first one. Dime. There's our picture of a dime. Next one, I consonant E. Cross out sneaky E, put a macron on the first one. Ripe. Down here, I see ing. That's usually a suffix, so let's cover it up to see if we have a word. Bruh. That is not a word. So in this word, ing is not a suffix. So now we have ing, digraph ing. We underline it, and the I gets a breathe. Bring. Next one, I see twin consonants. Cross one out, and the O gets a breathe. Boss. Next one, I see ing again. Cover it up to see if it's a suffix. Melt. That is a word. So that means ing is a suffix. We box it in. E gets a breathe. Melting. Next one, I see two vowels here. So we need to put V's under them. Two consonants in between. C, draw our line. The A gets a breathe and the I gets a breathe. And the C gets a K back. Traffic. That's our picture. There's a lot of cars. Traffic. Next one, we see U consonant E. Cross out the sneaky E. Put a macron on the U. Tube. All right, in the back is homework. You have your blends over here. So you have straw, crib, glove, and bride. All right, now we're going to move on to math. We're still doing subtraction, so we're just going to do a quick subtraction page. The question says, Pete has 9 gold coins in his treasure chest. He used 5 of the coins to buy a treasure map. How many gold coins does Pete have left? Okay, well, here's our treasure box right here. And it says he has 9 gold coins. So we're going to draw 9 gold coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 coins. He used 5 of the coins to buy a treasure map. How many does he have left? Well, if he used 5, we've got to cross those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many coins does he have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 left. So our answer is 4. We're going to fill out our 10 frame. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then our equation. We had 9 gold coins, so 9 minus, how many did we cross out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay? All right. And then you have math homework, so you'll do that on your own, and I will post pictures of what is due. Bye, guys.